Today is March 28th, 2025. We're taking a look at NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA, on the 6-hour chart. As of now, NVIDIA is trading at $109.52, down about 1.7% on the day. The session saw a high of 112.83 and a low of 109.11, putting in a fairly tight intraday range, but still leaning bearish. The multi-time frame trend dashboard is showing 0 out of 5 confirmed trends. That means price is sitting below all key moving averages from the 1 hour through the daily chart. The MACD is bearish across the board, and RSI levels are slipping below the midpoint, confirming that sellers have the upper hand. Now let's break down the legacy lines on this chart. There's a red solid line near 126. That's a recent daily low, and currently acting as a key resistance ceiling. Price has remained well below it, with no signs of a strong reversal attempt. A purple dashed line, the local high on the current time frame, comes in around 115. That level got rejected earlier this week, and now price is retreating again after testing it. Below us, the blue dashed line marks a local low, sitting right near today's bounce point at 109. That's your first level of support to watch. If that breaks, the next significant area is down at 105. Zooming way out, there's a green solid line marking a previous daily high, all the way up at 154. It's out of reach for now, but it helps map the longer-term trend structure if price finds support and begins building a base. In the news, NVIDIA is feeling pressure from a few angles. First, there was a broader market pullback today tied to inflation concerns and geopolitics. But specifically for NVIDIA, the CoreWeave IPO came in weaker than expected. That company relies heavily on NVIDIA's AI server tech, so sentiment took a hit. There are also lingering concerns about NVIDIA's China exposure, which makes up about 10% of their revenue. Talks of further U.S. restrictions on AI chip exports to China have raised some red flags among investors. Still, some analysts are calling this pullback a buying opportunity, suggesting that the recent dip could be a healthy reset. But the chart isn't showing confirmation of a reversal just yet. In summary, NVDA is sitting at a critical juncture. The trend is clearly bearish, and the legacy lines show that both short-term and long-term structure are holding price down. Until bulls reclaim a key resistance level, the pressure remains to the downside. This is not trading advice, just a technical and sentiment-based update to help keep you informed.